In this video, we are going to see the Git Revert, Reset and Checkout to undo changes. The first one is Git Revert. Git Revert is used to create a new commit that undoes the changes made in a previous commit. It is a safer option for reverting changes as it doesn't alter the commit history. Instead, it adds new commits that negate the changes introduced in a specific commit. The next one is Git Checkout. Git Checkout can be used to switch branches, but it can also be used to discard changes in the working directory. When used with a file or commit, it discards changes in the working directory for that file or to the state of the specified commit. Git Reset. Git Reset is used to reset the current branch to a specific commit. It's a powerful command that can be used to discard changes, unstage files, or move the branch pointer. Also, be cautious when using Git Reset, especially with the hard option, as it can discard changes irreversibly. So, this is the definitions of reset, revert, and checkout. Let's do it practically and let's try to understand. This video, we are going to see undo, revert, and resetting in Git. So let's see the undo committed changes, uncommitted changes, and resetting changes. Here I have created a repository called test. You can see here, which is having readme file and hungry file. Now I want to clone it to my local, so I am copying the URL of it. So I have copied. Then in my local I'm trying to open file. In my GitHub projects, I am creating a new file, new folder. New folder called code. So now I'm opening my git bash here itself. So I need to clone my test repository here. So let's try to do that. So let me open this first. So then here let me give git clone and URL which we copied earlier, that is test repository URL. So it's cloning and you can see I have got my test repository here. So now I open it. You can see my hungry file and readme file here. So if I open hungry file, here, so you can see the content in my file, which is I am happy if I eat samosa. So all I'm going to do is do some changes and undo those changes. So first, the first item we are going to cover is undoing our uncommitted changes. So in this, I'm adding another one line. Let's say samosa and pizza. So I have added here. Now I don't want, so let me open my Git. Let me open my Git. Now I don't want to add pizza line there. So what I'm doing is undoing this line. So I opened my Git bash. I'll check the status first. For that, Git status I'm giving it's giving me error. I need to go to my test repository, cd test. So I'm in my test repository now. Let's say git status. You can see here modified hungry file. So to discard changes in my working directory, I can use git checkout hyphen hyphen file name, that is hungry, which is my file where I do that. uh, Wait, so when I do this, when I do this just a second, let me close this and open it again. When I do that, you can see uh, my pizza change is gone. Let's again do some changes in hungry file as well as in readme file too. You can see again I did some changes in hungry file and as well as the readme file. Here I have given hello welcome. So after that, what I am going to do is, let me open git and give clear. Then if I give git status, you can see modified readme and hungry file. So you can see two files are changed. So the one option to undo is git checkout hyphen hyphen file name, but to change every file we have option like git checkout hyphen hyphen then dot. It's going to undo all the changes, all the files. So what I do is now git status. This is how git uncommitted changes works. Now let's see the committed changes, how to undo it. Firstly, I need to add some changes. So I'm adding in hungry file. So I'm adding here, what can I add? Let's say I love pizza. I added this line. Then what I am going to do is, now I'm going to commit it. So to do that, let's open this. Let's clear once. Git add hungry file. So I'm adding this file first to the staging. Then I'm giving commit -m. Then commit -m. Then commit message I'm giving as pizza. To know whether it is committed, we can always run git log. You can see pizza added here. So now I'm again adding changes in my hungry file. I love pizza, and also I want to dance. I added this. So let me close it and open my git bash. Then I am going to add it to my staging. So I'm giving git add file hungry. Then again I give git commit -m, and the message I'm giving as dance. You can see it got committed. So I'll give git log. When I give git log, you can see pizza and dance has been here. So to go back, I'm giving, okay. Now we have both the files. You can see pizza and dance. Now I want to undo this dance change. So I can't run checkout --- because it is already committed. So what I'm going to do is, I need to copy the this one commit ID of dance. So I'm copying it. Just wait, I'll copy it properly. So I copied it. Then the command I'm giving is, let me give clear first. Then the command I'm giving is git revert. Then the ID I have copied. So this is the ID of my dance. So if I give enter, you can see here revert dance and the reverts comment. So to close it, I'm giving colon and Q. So we have back to our file. You can see the dance has been deleted. So again, let me open my Git. I'm giving Git log. You can see the dance has been, revert dance has been here, and also the dance changes here. So I'm giving like uh, clear. I am giving clear now. When I did git revert, it directly committed the changes, but I don't want to commit the change. I want to run revert and explicitly commit it. We can do it that by using -n option. First, let's do git log here. You can see. Let's undo the pizza change. I copy the pizza ID here. I copy the pizza ID. So I copied the pizza ID. Then I'm going to do is git revert -n. Then the ID which I have copied. So when we do this, pizza line will gone, but change is not committed. Let me give git status now. You can see modified hungry. It is uncommitted. Now we need to explicitly commit it. So I am giving git commit -m, then revert pizza I'm giving. After that I'll give clear. Then if I give git log now, you can see revert pizza here. It is reverted. The difference between supplying -n option versus not supplying is negative sign will not commit changes, versus if we do not supply it, it will just commit changes. This is how the revert works. So let's say let's try to understand the git reset. Let's say I want to go to the position where I have dance. I feel whatever the changes I made after that is not useful. I want to undo those changes. So I need to copy the ID of it. Dance ID. I'm copying it. I have copied. Then I just give clear here. So then I give git revert, git reset hard, then the ID which I have copied. I'm pasting here. So it is pasted now. So when I give enter, head is now at, you can see, like whenever I open my hungry file, so, before that, let's give git log. You can see all the files. All those revert changes are gone. You can see all those revert changes have been gone. In my in my working directory, we are back to our, like, let's open this. In the beginning, how we have created, so it is like this only. So this is how the reset works. Like while giving the reset, we should be conscious, otherwise everything will be deleted. So this is how the git revert, reset and undo changes works.